Dude, this is like a little sleeper build you got here. Right. You surprised the living daylights out of me.
So, Nathan Litko, I got two SSA EVIL 12s on a Sundown 7500 at half ohm, and I got a Twisted Sounds 150.4 on Skar 6.5s. Hopefully it just gets louder once they break in. We'll see what happens. So for my alternator, it's a Singer 280, and in the back I got a JY 80 amp hour.
And I think we've had a demo before, right?
Like 2 years ago.
Yeah, like 2 years ago.
Yeah, I had the Soundcube HTC 312s on the 4500.
Yeah. All right, let's get a listen to it.
I only called you when it's
like a little sleeper build you got here.
Yeah, right. So yesterday was the first day I went full tilt on them. So they're actually getting a little louder and louder as I break them in. So
yeah, that surprised out of me.
Yeah, I know, I can tell.
Thank you.
Yeah, anytime, man.
Not too shabby for a pair of 12s, huh, YouTube? Dang, I was certainly impressed, and if my Orions from back in the day were hitting half as hard as these 12s, I would have felt like the biggest boss on the block for sure. So hats off to the builder and our buddy Nathan for always stepping it up year after year. So now, let's fast forward one more year and see what he's upgraded to next. Yeah, look what he's done. Our buddy Nathan, we've gotten several demos throughout the years, but now you got over 7,000 watts just on your subs?
Yep.
What the heck? And are they taking that? Those are 12s, aren't they?
Yeah, they're NSV4s.
NSV4 12s eating up a 7,000 watt amplifier. Tell me a little bit more about what you got going on this year.
So I got two Sundown NSV4 12s on a Sundown 7500 at half ohm. I got two Limitless 45 amp hours, a Singer 270 amp, Sundown 125.4 on the doors, and Crescendo mids and highs. So that's pretty much it.
All right, I'm gonna get a couple more shots back there. Dude, you surprised the living daylights out of me.
There's a 53 on music.
It does a 53 in the trunk, two 12s.
Yep.
You guys, we've seen a whole bunch of these subs. They kind of look like oil filters, but holy crap, those motors, they have so much force behind them.
I know.
Wow, impressive, dude. And
Thanks, man.
Do you drive like that around? Be honest, do you drive like that all around all the time?
Not all the time, always just half volume.
Just half volume?
Yeah, just good enough.
Just enough so you can listen a little bit of bass, but when you need to, you can show out a little bit. Holy freak, can I listen to, can we hear something else?
Yeah.
All right.
Guess who's back?
And when you're jamming like that, I wasn't paying attention, but how does your voltage handle
It's like low 13s, high 12s.
with 7,000 watts of bass?
Yeah, it does really well.
Did I hear stock alternator?
No, Singer 270.
Okay, Singer 270 alternator, okay.
Yes, sir.
Ah, yes, nothing like bassing with the bros, getting louder every season. This trunk setup sounded amazing, and I know videos won't do it justice, but holy crap, I love big, huge sound systems, but when a system like this can sound really good and still hold its own, it puts the biggest smile on my face. Now let's roll it back to 2016 when video quality was still kinda meh, but still plenty of hidden gems nonetheless. Roll that beautiful bean footage. Look at those doors. Man, you're working those ACCAs for sure. You must have some power on those.
I got no power. It's 2.7 of them. The lens are 7,000 by 2s.
Yeah?
Yeah, by 0.5 of them. So if you want to see in the back, I can show you.
Yeah, I'd love to. But first off though, what do you got in these doors? Those are
The
beautiful.
McLarens.
The McLaren audio?
Yeah. Just the eights hooked up right now. There's nothing in the 10s.
All right, well,
Yeah.
let's check out that bag. Yep.
2XS power 31.
Well, those opties mean business.
0.5 ohms.
Yep.
And then I got my pads in the back. I got pads up in there.
Even more speakers right up
Yeah.
there.
But it's not finished yet. Halfway in the mix.
You know, even if stuff doesn't get finished on time, it still feels awesome to show off what you got when Showtime finally arrives. Whether it's a pair of 12s or a truck full of monsters, bass is bass, no matter how you slice it. Never be ashamed to rock what you got and go for the gold. And if you need help choosing gear, you can always hit up Showtime Electronics for one-on-one customer service, and I'm sure that we can help you there. So, until the next video, guys, this is EXO signing out. Stay loud and stay proud. I will talk to you in the next video.